Hello, my name is Ray. I'm an artist, and right now I'm going to show you how to draw a pixie's face. Now, pixies are, like fairies or like little imaginary creatures, cute little girls mostly. So let me just give you an idea of how to illustrate that. First of all, you start off with the head, basic head shape. Let's just do that real quick. Okay. Another thing about pixies that is common is towards the chin area it gets kind of pointy, so that's what we're going to be working with here. Kind of a pointy chin situation. The other thing that's common, it's like drawing any other head, you want to keep everything symmetrical, but with a pixie usually the features are a little exaggerated. Like let's draw the nose, for example. The nose on a pixie is usually very small and usually consists of one basic line or shape. In this case, I guess say a little triangle. Now we're going to mess with the eyes. The eyes are bigger than most, so what you would do is you would draw the top part of the eye first, kind of huge, general idea. And then you'd want to carry it down by drawing under the eye the little circle that goes in there. It's kind of like a circle within a circle. And under it, and then you like connect them. Give it kind of this U look, so to speak. So the eyes on a pixie character are kind of bigger, and the mouth is the simplest thing because the closer to the point you are, the better. Simply draw two lines, one to illustrate the mouth and the line that's under it. That's basically how you would do a pixie's face. Now to add to it, you'd want to do something with the hair, You want to give your pixie character some hair, so you would draw out strands of hair, still keeping it very simple and to the point, but you can get as wild with it as you want to because this is a fictional character. And you want to give them a neck or something is the idea. So there you have it. It's pretty simple. It's, like I said, the basic oval and just adding to the ovals and exaggerating the features a little bit. Huge eyes. You can draw them bigger than this. Small nose, small mouth. And that's how you would draw a pixie's face.